Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of 50 Express Tutorials. Today we will be learning how to make a mini puff pastry cake using our 50 Express instant vanilla custard, galaxy dust, and tipless bags. Grab your spatulas and let's get started! Today we will need the following ingredients and tools: puff pastry squares, vanilla Bettercreme, 50 Express instant vanilla custard, frozen yellow cake, 50 Express white galaxy pump, blueberries, strawberries, 8-inch silver wrap, 50 Express tipless bags, tip 1M, and plastic spatulas. We will begin by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Place your puff pastry squares on a baking sheet with parchment paper. Then, using a fork, poke a few holes throughout the puff pastry square. This will help them rise evenly when they bake. Place them in the oven to bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Let's make our instant vanilla custard. We will be using a paddle attachment for our mixer. Place half a pound of the instant vanilla custard powder into the bowl. Mix on low speed and begin to add in 2 cups of water slowly. Let it mix for 1 minute. Scrape your bowl with a spatula. Then mix on medium for 1 minute. This is what the consistency of your vanilla custard should look like when it's ready. Fill your pastry bag with the vanilla custard and cut the tip. In another pastry bag, place tip 1M inside. Fill the bag with the Vanilla Bettercreme. Cut your strawberries in thin slices. Grab 2 puff pastry squares and with a small board or anything flat, gently press down, smashing your puff pastries. Lay a puff pastry square over your cake and trim the sides to match the size of the puff pastry square. Place the first layer of puff pastry onto your 8-inch silver board. Pipe vanilla custard on top, making sure to cover the entire thing. Place cake layer on top. Pipe another layer of custard and put the last layer of puff pastry over it. For the final layer, pipe the buttercream starting from left to right. Let's make an American flag design for this mini cake. Start by placing blueberries at the top left of your cake, making an even square. Now make 4 rows of strawberries running across horizontally on the cake, leaving some space in between the strawberries and white buttercream. Lastly, spray some white galaxy dust to add a nice shine to your flag. So there you have it, my lovely viewers. That's how easy it is to make a puff pastry mini cake using some of our 50 Express products. Thank you so much for watching this 50 Express tutorial. Hope you enjoyed making this delicious mini puff pastry cake. Please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. For more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to our 50 Express YouTube channel. And remember, you can find these products and more at 50expressonline.com.